What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW. Today we're going to go over a day trading recap. Very slow day, but still managed to put in a couple trades today, so check out. Alright guys, so we're going to jump right on into this here. This morning, I took a look at my gap scans. Here you go. AIM was the leading gapper. At the time it was up like 70-80%, something like that. Then we had this pump fest here, WWR. I had like a few shares traded, and it was up here in the gap list as well. That's the trade idea scanners. If you want to learn more about those, or you want to save some money on them, there's a 15% off coupon in the description section below. If you use my link and my code, you will get 15% off. First, we're going to go and show you WWR. I can't wait to see who is the guru or furu that, touts this profit off in Twitter today, because this is ridiculous. This stock had no volume at all. Look at this. These are 3-minute candles, and this candle right here only had 3,900 shares traded. This candle right here, let's see this one, 3,800 shares traded. So you're going to tell me, this stock, it's trading in 3-minute candles, 3,000 and change shares is going to make this move here without some chat room being the pumper. This candle right here, this big one had, well, it can't be 4,000. It's just probably not read through because it got halted. But this candle right here had all the volume, because you know how it works. Big chat room, 1,000 subs. Put on alert buying at the break of 350 because it looks great. And the volume's pouring in. And we get that kind of action, and then boom, all the way back down, and it gets slammed after the halt resumes. So I didn't trade that crap. I traded, no, this is SPI from yesterday. Where's today's trade? Should be this one. Yeah, here we go. I traded AIM. It had news this morning. Recent reverse split. So I figured, this could be the one. It only has 2 million shares in the float. So very small float. My first trade, well, this morning it opened up. These are 3-minute candles. It dipped all the way down to $3 and immediately took all that right back. So that told me there's a lot of support at $3. So I had no problem jumping in here at a cost basis of 309. I was in at 307, factors in my commission starter, just 300 shares, looking to add as the trade progressed. So this is very short trade, only 4 minutes, but we're not going to just sit here and watch this stagnate. Oh yeah, look at WWR. Oh wait. There you go, look at WWR. That thing's a joke. So I'm waiting to see what's going to happen here. Ideally, I should have had my stop down here at the 90 MA. This is after the fact, kind of a Monday morning quarterbacking my own trade here. I should have maybe had my stop down here instead of just under $3. But I thought $3 was such good support, right here at the open, that I figured, I'm gonna just set my stop right under $3. So I set my stop at 396, and that was it. A hard stop there, and I let the trade start to do its thing. Volume was really, really dry, and that was, not the most fun, because we already bounced off of here. I wouldn't expect us to come test it again. I expected us to just, bounce and go, but we don't. I get stopped out right there and lose 40 bucks. And that was it. Now, the benefits of a starter position and, having a pretty tight stop. Ideally, my stop should have been down here at the 90 MA, but I didn't think of it at the time. Had I done that, I would have taken smaller size and added as we reclaimed $3 if, it went all the way down there. Or added on the VWAP break. So that's it. That's the first trade. Meanwhile, you still had WWR doing nothing. Can't stand pumpers. This is the second trade. Now, in the second trade, let me get you the 5-minute chart so you can take a look at this. Pause this real quick. Okay, so here we go. Let me zoom in. On this second trade here, we start to curl. We started to reclaim that $3 area, and we started to curl back up, and I'm like, These shorts are trapped in there. Very low float. If we get some buying volume here on a VWAP break, we can go right back up here to, the 360 area and potentially $4, which was the back of my mind target. 370 through $4 area. Let's see here what happens. So I'm in the trade, 300 shares again. We're holding this 90 MA. That is my stop because it's proven to be support here and all throughout this. So the 90 MA is my stop. I'm in 300. I am looking to add to this. So I add right around here. As soon as we start breaking over this candle. There we go. It should come. There it is. There's my add. Volume is increasing slightly, but it's very, very small still. Now I'm looking for a break over 325 over this VWAP area to take some profit off. And then hold the rest looking for a test of high of day. Back up there to that 360, 370 area. So right here, I take off half. That puts me back at break even on the day. Actually, small profit. Now, I'm looking to sell these last 300, probably scale out, 150 up here and then hold and see if we go to $4, which would have made me real good money, But we get that nasty action, so I close it out. It's a scratch day. It's really like I'm red 14 bucks. Big freaking deal. That's nothing, right? I mean, it was choppy. It wasn't an easy trade. I'll show you again this chart right here. Well, even better yet, the 3-minute, which is the one that I trade off of. Look at that action. This is where I traded it, got stopped out of the rest, took some profit, stopped out the rest. Then it continued to squeeze up a little bit, but it couldn't make it happen. Comes back down and then eventually fails. We're just not in the long market just yet. It's just the way it is for these small caps. But when it comes, it's going to be big. And it's going to be pretty damn awesome. So, meanwhile, safe positions, sticking to the plan, sticking to my stops. And once we get that $1 huge candle that goes straight up $1, gets halted, resumes higher, and we bank, then it's great. It's going to be, it's going to catapult the small cap market into the fall and into the winter. So we'll continue to wait until then, playing it extremely safe, and just playing it by day by day, seeing what happens. Let me know how your trading is going. How are you trading small caps right now, if at all? SPY, all-time highs today. Didn't trade any of that, unfortunately, but it is what it is. Staying alive, staying green. Let me know how you're doing. Drop it in the comment section below. Remember to smash the like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and I'll catch you on the next one.